Hello guys, this is the MEPtutor, and in today's video I'll be solving this logarithmic equation. We have to find the root of it, so we have to find the value of x. And the first thing we can do is to express this using the properties of the logarithms as the sum of two logarithms, because this is a difference of two squares. So let's do that first, and the left side of the equation remains the same without any change. 3 logarithm of the square root of 1 minus x is equal to logarithm of the square root of 1 plus x plus, let's close that, square root plus logarithm of the square root of 1 minus x. We observe that this is the same that this, so this gets simplified. Let's burn this, and this will simplify this by 1. So let's write what the result of the simplification. We got 2 plus 2 times logarithm of the square root of 1 minus x, and this is equal to 0. The next step we can do on this problem is to extract 2 as a common factor, and this will remain 1, and we put that on the right side of the equation. So that 2 multiplying 1 plus logarithm of the square root of 1 minus x, and this is equal to, close the parenthesis, equal to 0. We divide everything by 2, this by 2, this remains 0, this gets simplified, and we put this 1 on the other side. We get logarithm of the square root of 1 minus x is equal to minus 1. Alright, then we can express minus 1 as 1 because the base of the logarithm, when the logarithm is not explicit, it means it's base 10. So this as a base 10 must be 10 elevating logarithm of 10 the square root of 1 minus x must be equal to 10 to the logarithm of 1 over 10. And both sides get simplified, and the remain will be 1 minus x equal to 1 over 10, and we can square both sides. Square here, we square here, and the result will be 1 minus x will be, with an arrow here, will be equal to 1 over 100. And the only thing that left in this part of the problem is to some algebra here, and we get that x must be equal to 100 over 100, which is 1 minus 1 over 100. So x will be equal to 99 over 100, which is a little bit less than 1. The next thing that we can do, because this is not certified, first we need to observe what is the domain of this equation, because this is a square root, this cannot be negative, and the argument of the logarithm also can be 0, so we can create these equations. We must create these equations. 1 plus x must be higher than 1, and x minus 1 must be higher than 0. It's higher than 0, higher than 0. So we end up with the domain of this function being this x. X belongs to -1 to 1, and the parenthesis is open. But if we observe this domain and we observe that this is a little bit less than 1, we can check that this x belongs to the domain and it's the solution of the problem. So this is certified and the problem is solved.